guys, today we are unboxing the Apple Watch Pistachio Solo Loop Sport Solo Loop Band for the Apple Watch. So let's not waste time and let's begin. So here it is. This is how the box looks. So it's just an image of the Solo Loop, and then when we turn it around, we can see that here it is written Apple Watch, of course Apple logo and watch, as well as here we also have written Solo Loop Silicone Fitted Band, and I think the same thing in different languages as well. And so here we see our measurements that we got. So here it says Apple Watch 44mm Pistachio Solo Loop size 4 and designed by Apple in California, made in China, and of course the serial number. And of course here we have written the compatibility of the Solo Loop. It says compatible with Apple Watch SE and Apple Watch Series 4 or later. And I am actually using the Apple Watch Series 3 in here, as you can see right over here, and it is still compatible. I got the 44mm size for my Solo Loop. So now we will actually unbox it and see what it really is. So in order for us to unbox, we need to actually find this loop or this stick over here, as you can see, and it says that we must pull it downwards. So now we'll do that. Not a really great sound, no sound at all almost, but still worth having that pull tab. And now here we go, we will just unbox it. As you can see here we have written Pistachio Solo Loop, and here we have written the millimeter size that we chose, as well as the size of the Solo. Now in order for us to unbox, we will just simply do it like this, and as you can see now it's unboxed, and we can take it out. And so here, alongside with the Apple Watch Solo Loop, which we'll get to in a second, we also do get this documentation, which you can read, of course, but who does read it? I don't know. But yeah, so here we have this documentation. And now it's finally time for us to unbox and see what's inside this Apple Watch Solo Loop Sport Band Pistachio 44mm size 4. Let's see. So here we have this user manual on how to install the Solo Loop, of course, and here we go. Bam! And we see this beautiful color, which actually looks incredibly good for me at least. And so here it is. So first of all, of course, we have the instruction on how to get it with your Apple Watch, so how to fit it, as well as here it is, this fresh feeling of the new Apple Watch band. And here we have other stuff as well, so to choose a complementary watch face. And now let's actually take it out and let's see. Let's just fit it with my Apple Watch. So it's kind of hard to get it out. Oh, I got it. So basically, this is how you do it. You don't pull this out instantly, but you actually pull on this thing, and it lets you get it out easily. So there's another, well, no, there's not. But so basically you pull on this thing and it comes out by itself. Wow! It's actually very much so stretchy, actually. I didn't really think it would be. But wow, it's actually very small. Like, I don't know how can we measure its size, but it's actually very small, probably 10-11 centimeters. But yeah, so this is the color that we get, the pistachio color. It actually looks incredible, and now we'll get it on my Apple Watch. Now also a slight detail that might not have been noticed earlier is if you take a look at this side of the Sport Loop, you can actually see the size for which you opted. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, so here is written size 4. Yeah, you see it. So here is written 4, which means that I chose the size 4 for my Solo Loop. And here on the other side is the millimeter option that you got for your Apple Watch. So in this case, it's 44mm Solo Loop. And now it's very stretchy, it's very flexible, and it's very easy to actually put on or off the Apple Watch. So here's my Apple Watch with the Kumquat Sport Band in here. And if you want, of course, to check out the unboxing of this Sport Band, the link is right here. So you can click it and watch it. But here we are. So now I will take it off, of course. And now here is how you do it. So you tap on this button and it goes. You tap on this button and this goes away. And now we are left with just the Apple Watch and ready to get the Pistachio solo loop onto it. So here it is. The material doesn't really feel as a normal sport band. It is very lighter and very stretchy, very flexible. And so, to just get it in, you just do it like this, and there you go, it fits. Then you do it like this, and it fits again. And bam. So you see, now this is how the Pistachio band looks. Now here I got this matching wallpaper or matching watch face to it, and so that's how it looks. Here is how it looks on the sunlight. It's a great color, actually. I really enjoy it. And now let's see if it fits my hand. Yes, it does. Oh, it actually does very well. Like, it goes up to this place, although I'm really used to using it till here. So, I don't know. That might be an interesting thing. But yeah, so that's basically what the Apple Watch Sport Band or Apple Watch Solo Loop Pistachio is in here. So thank you guys very, very much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to click like and of course subscribe down below so that you don't miss any future videos just like this. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!